everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the Cardano Big news today, and you know what, today is the last day of the June month, so that is the last news of the June month. Cardano, keep watching this video because this is important news for all Cardano holders, my friends. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Now at this time, the latest price of the Cardano is 1.32 USD dollar. 1.32 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Cardano, and furthermore you can see here, if you look the price changes of the Cardano, so now the changes is again going negative, my friends. The price of Cardano is going down, so a lot of people so confused about this changes, that what should we do in this critical situation? Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell or hold Cardano, my friends? And you know what, as I told you, my friends, in my previous video, that Cardano continue this pump throughout this whole July month. So I'm right, my friends. I'm not wrong, my friends. That is a temporary phase. Maybe you know what, tonight the price change will become positive, my friends. Tonight the changes will become positive. You have to only hold, my friends. You have to only patience for it. Now the latest change, that is the news of the Cardano at this time, the change open in the Cardano is negative. Last 1 hour change is negative 1.59%, and the last 1 day change is negative 0.4%. So at this time the latest change of the Cardano is negative, but you know what, my prediction about Cardano is positive, and I believe that they will take a huge pump. You know what, in this time they start jumping, so absolutely tonight the changes will become again positive, my friends. Don't worry about this false. Very soon the changes will become again positive. Thanks for watching this video, and also tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about Cardano? Please tell me in the comment box. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.